Question is, briefly explain as to why does a stick kept in a beaker or a glass filled with water appears to be bent. So many times when we put a pencil or a spoon or some stick in the water, kept in a glass or any container, we find that object to be bent. Now the question arises, why does this happen? The simple answer for this is refraction. Refraction is the reason behind it. The light is coming from water to air. Water is optically denser and air is optically rarer. So when the light is going from a denser to rarer medium, the result is light is going to bend DRA away from normal. Denser to rarer, away from the normal. I use an acronym for this, DRA. If the light is going from denser to rarer, A stands for away. Okay, this is the acronym that we use. Okay, got it? So it will bend away from the normal. Now this bending of light causes this pencil to appear bent. Okay, this is the original pencil. So when the light from this point here will reach this surface, it is coming from the water, okay, which is denser because it is water, and it is going out in air, which is rarer. Okay, so it will bend away from the normal. So if I retrace this line, it will come out to be somewhere here. Similarly, if I take a point here and draw another ray of light, again it will bend. If I retrace it, it will come somewhere here, which means that if I combine these lines, so the apparent position of the image of this pencil will appear to be like this. This will be the apparent position of the image of the pencil, which will appear to be bent. Actually, the pencil is this, but when the light is coming from here, it is bending away from the normal. So anybody who is looking from here, he will see that the image is bent. Why? Because the bending of light is occurring at this surface. At this surface point, the light is bending away from the normal. And when I retrace it, a new image is formed of this pencil, this part of the pencil, which is inside the water. Outside the water, there is no bending which is taking place. The light coming from there is coming straight without any bending. But light which is coming from the water into the eye of the observer is bending. And because of this bending of the light, the image appears to be bent. And the pencil will appear. Any object which we put in the water will appear to be bent. This is the reason why the bottom of the swimming pool appears to be raised. Because actually तो pencil यहाँ तक है, but उसकी इमेज यहां पे बन रही है, तो ये रेज्ड अप दिखाई दे रही है। बिकॉज पेंसिल की ये इमेज रेज्ड अप हो गई तो वो बेंट दिखाई देगी, क्योंकि यहां तक तो सीधी है, फिर इसके बाद रेज्ड अप हो जाएगी, इट विल रेज अप लिटिल बिट, द इमेज विल राइज अप because of the bending which is taking place at these points. Wherever the light is coming out from the water into the air, it is bending, and since it is bending away from the normal, because of the bending of the light, the image will also be appear raised up here. This is the image, this is the image of the pencil. I hope this is clear to you people now.